Hey everyone, welcome back. Ever wonder what makes your computer or phone works? Today we're going to break down computer hardware. In simple terms, let's get started. Computer hardware is just the physical stuff inside your device, like the parts you can touch. It's what makes your computer run. So without it, nothing would work. Let's talk about input device. These are things you use to tell the computers what to do. Things like your keyboard, mouse, touchpad. When you type or click, you're giving the computers instruction. Next, we have output device. This shows you what the computer is doing. A. Monitoring shows your screen, speaker, play sounds, and a printer. Print stop output device. Let the computer talks back to you. Now let's talk about processing device. The CPU, Central Processing Unit, is like the brain of your computer. It does all the thinking. GPU, Graphics Processing Unit, helps with the graphics so things like games, video looks good. Now for the storage device, this is where all files are kept, like photos, apps, and documents. HDGs, hard disk drives, are older than slower, while SSDs, solid state drives, are faster and more reliable. USDs are just tiny storage device you can carry around. Touchscreens are cool because they do both. You can input command by tapping the screen and sharing show the result. So it's also output device. SSDs are better than HDGs for speeding. SSDs loading everything faster, like starting your computer or opening a game. They're more expensive but worth it if you need speed. How to device to connect. USB connects things directly. Bluetooth connecting wireless like headphones or mouse, and Wi-Fi lets your device connect to the internet. All of these parts work together. Input device help you to talk to the computers. The CPU does the thinking. GPU handles the visual, and the storage keeps your files safe. Choosing the right hardware depends on what you do. If you're just borrowing, you don't need super power parts. But if you're gaming or editing video, you need a faster storage components. That's for today. Hope this you understand computer hardware is a little bit better. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips. See you.